Bible Study Guide, Day 69, Numbers 35 to 36. In chapter 35, God instructs Moses to command the Israelites to give the Levites cities to live in and pasture lands for their livestock. These 42 cities are to be given from the inheritance of the other tribes, with larger portions given from those who have more land. The boundaries of these cities are also specified, stretching 1,000 cubits from the city wall in all directions. This chapter also discusses the cities of refuge, where those who have accidentally killed someone can flee for safety until a trial is held. These 6 cities are to be evenly distributed throughout the land so that every Israelite has access to one within a day's journey. This serves as a way for God to show mercy and justice, providing protection for those who may have made a mistake and preventing immediate retaliation from the victim's family. God also lays out the punishment for intentional murder, stating that the murderer must be put to death. However, if there is no clear evidence or witness to convict someone of murder, they must still flee to one of the cities of refuge to avoid being killed by the avenger of blood. This concept of avenging blood is based on the belief that someone must pay for a life taken unjustly. The accused must stay in the city of refuge until the death of the high priest, at which point they are free to return home without fear of retaliation. In chapter 36, the leaders of the tribe of Manasseh bring a concern to Moses about their inheritance. The daughters of Zelophehad, who had no brothers, are set to inherit their father's portion of land. However, if they marry outside of their tribe, that land would then pass on to another tribe and reduce the land allotted for Manasseh. God instructs that these women must marry within their tribe in order to keep their inheritance and prevent the land from being transferred to another tribe. The women follow God's commands and marry their cousins on their father's side, ensuring that the land stays within the family of Manasseh. These chapters remind us of the importance of showing mercy and justice, both in our personal relationships and in society as a whole. We see that God values the lives of all people, providing cities of refuge and laying out consequences for intentional murder. We are also reminded to keep our promises made before God, recognizing that they hold great significance in His eyes. Let us reflect on these lessons and strive to follow God's example of mercy and justice in our own lives. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to help us spread the word. God bless you.